Hello students, we'll see example of center of gravity. So example is find x coordinate of center of gravity of an area bounded by the parabola y square equal to x and the line x plus y equal to 2. So we are going to find x bar. The formula is x bar is equal to double integration x into rho dx dy upon double integration rho dx dy. Now since density is not mentioned in the example, density will assume that density is constant and therefore the formula of x bar will be double integration x dx dy upon double integration dx into dy. Now we are going to find the limits by using the diagram. So let's draw diagram y square equal to x, the parabola, and the line x plus y equal to 2. Now we are going to find the intersecting points. So for that we will solve these two equations simultaneously, y square equal to x and x plus y equal to 2. That means x value is y square. I have substituted this in this equation, so that will give us y square plus y equal to 2. So this is the quadratic equation whose roots are y equal to 1 and minus 2. You can see this. So y equal to 1 and minus 2, corresponding x is y square. So 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4. And therefore the points are 1, 1 and 4, minus 2. So these are the points 1, 1 and 4, minus 2. Now consider horizontal strip in this region. Now since this is the area, we are going to find the limits. Therefore consider the horizontal strip moving from bottom to top. So at the bottom y limit is minus 2 and at the top y limit is 1. So these are the limits for y. Now for x we will see left end of this horizontal strip and right end of this horizontal strip. So left end is lying on the curve y square equal to x. That means x limits will be y square, which is the left end, and right end is lying on this line x plus y equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 minus y. So these are the limits for x, y square to 2 minus y. Now put this limit in this formula of x bar. So double integration of x dx dy, where y limits are minus 2 to 1 and x limits are y square to 2 minus y, upon double integration of dx dy, where the limits are same, y limits minus 2 to 1 and x limits are y square to 2 minus y. Now here integration with respect to x first and then with respect to y. So integration of x dx is x square by 2 within the limit y square and 2 minus y. So I have separated this numerator and denominator. This is n and this is d. So for in calculation of n, double integration of x dx dy within the limits. So x dx integration is x square by 2 within this limits 2 minus y and y square. Now upper limit minus lower limit, you are going to substitute the values. So 2 minus y bracket square minus y square square, so that will be y raised to 4, and taking 1 by 2 outside the integration into dy, where y limits are minus 2 to 1. So on simplification means you will find the integration of this. So you will get numerator is equal to 1 by 2. Integration of 2 minus y square is 2 minus y whole bracket cube divided by minus 3 due to this negative sign, minus integration of y raised to 4 is y raised to 5 by 5 within the limit minus 2 to 1. So on solving this and putting upper limit minus lower limit, numerator is equal to 36 by 5. You can check this answer. On the same way, denominator is equal to double integration of within the same limits dx dy. So integration with respect to x is taken first. Integration of 1 is x, upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 minus y square, and integration of this function with respect to y. So integration of 2 is 2 into y minus y square by 2 minus y cube by 3 within the limit minus 2 to 1. Again by putting upper limit minus lower limit, we will get denominator as 9 by 2. Therefore x bar is equal to n by d, and therefore the answer is 36 by 5 upon 9 by 2, which is 8 by 5.